Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ram. This 4-door van has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and power windows.